unfixed device resolved. Today I will show you how to fix Windows 11 lagging or slow performance issue. Fix 1. Disable startups apps. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Then click on startups apps and right click on unwanted apps and disable it. Fix 2. Free up storage. Step 1. Press Windows key plus I. Then click on System. Then click on Storage. Then click on Temporary Files and remove unnecessary files. Fix 3. Restart your PC or laptop. Press on Start key. Then click on Power icon button and restart your laptop or PC.